everybody, back again. It might be a wee bit windy where I'm standing, but I'm going to show you another one of our second-hand stock. Today I'm going to show you our 2018 Swift Bessacar 596. Let's go take a look. So, of course, you've got the lovely graphics here on the side. You do have your thrill security lock system just here on that handle. And then quickly round the back here, you do also have a Fiamma storage locker just here. And that's huge. Now, let's go jump inside. So this is a 6-berth, 6-belt motorhome. Up front in your dash, you do have your manual gearbox there. There's a multifunctioning steering wheel, as well as your radio system, your aircon, and then additional USB points there at the bottom. So here is your main living area. Now you do have 2 living areas in this motorhome. This also makes up your first and second berth, and then straight above me, I'll show you in a wee second, is your second double bed just up above. Behind me here is the first TV bracket in this motorhome, and then there's a wee storage place here for you know, the likes of a skybox, or if you want anything like a DVD player, anything at all, that can go in there. You do have these nice little lights that dim, and they're throughout the vehicle. Real nice feature. And there is your double bed above the lounge. Now you do have this little security clip in place, and that just clips up up above, and the same on the additional side. And then to put the bed up, you just hit the button in again, and as smooth as ever, it goes back up. So moving down then into your kitchen, you have your nice large sink there. You have your 3 gas hob and electric hot plate, and then below your separate grill and oven there as well. Up above you then have your microwave, and then tons of storage along the way as well. And down into your full fridge with a freezer compartment just in there as well. Lots of storage in there for you. Now that's a 3-way Dometic fridge, just so you know. Moving on down, then you have your lovely big open lounge area here, and this also makes up another double bed, so that's your 5th and your 6th berth. Now down in this second living area, you do have your second TV bracket here as well, and then of course different fixtures and fittings for aerials and satellites and that. Moving in then to your bathroom, just down here. This is a separate shower bathroom setup. And that's really it, folks. Now, I didn't really go on what was on the outside of the vehicle, but if there is anything else you'd like to see, or if you want to see the beds made up, please let me know. I have no problem elaborating on this vehicle at all. It is lovely, and it's really nice having that big open space above the cab there, that lovely sunroof. If there's any other things you'd like to know, please let me know. You can email me marketing@thompsonleisure.com. You can give me a call on 028 9269 3999, or drop a comment, send me a message. I will pick all of them up, and I'll see you in the next video.